Chaung channel. I'm Aoi San and
I am Yoon. Today we are at the
Phyu Chaung Weir, and we are going to explore the nature of beauty, the beauty of nature.
So let's explore with us, guys.
So they are feeding and eating grass, as you can see. Hello, Mr. Gao. Is that yeah, grass? Tasty.
Delicious.
It's delicious. I'm wondering about the difference between the grasses. Beautiful. This is baby cow. Baby cow. Oh. Take it. Oh. So, it's free to go. And there's so many cows here. Waterfall! Even though this is not, yeah, this is waterfall. And let's go. It's so beautiful. I feel really refreshed just hearing the voice of water falling. Can you dance? Are you okay? And we can see the water here. So let me take off my shoes. So glad.
What was that?
Now this place is really, really beautiful. Stop.
But I'm scared.
I don't
Scared of water.
Every time I see water, I'm so excited. In rainy season, even if I see a little pond, I need to put my leg in it. Oh my god, there is a fish! Oh, I can't catch her. Whatever. And here it is. This is really wide. And yeah, I take off my shoe. Oh. But water is a little bit. Are you okay? It's okay. You don't need to be scared, especially in sand. Oh, I want to go there, but I cannot swim, so I don't know how to go there. And the stove, I'm really sleepy. That's so cool. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Is it video? I thought it was photo just to show I'm just posing like that. Take me home. I can swim a lot here. And there are mountains and waterfall and water. This is perfect place to chill. Oh, I want to go there. Well, people are going there in that place. I guess that place is Tiger. really like. They do. You go first. I guess I have to choose the slippy thing stone to do that. Oh. How can they do that? Okay, this time I will choose a large stone.
You need to bow twice.
Oh. Yeah, that's why. They don't twice. Fine.
You can do.
They bounce in the water.
Yeah. Whatever. I'll try. No. There is big balloon and they don't bounce when we throw. I need to choose a stone wisely. So we can go to another place in here. Yeah, tree. Like that.
You can go to the water.
I'm here. Don't be afraid, baby. I am here.
I got it.
So you can stay there and I will go.
Oh my god.
It's okay. There are a lot of sand and stone and the water is only this. You are safe with me.
Okay, let's go. I'm afraid of drowning.
Even though I cannot swim, I'm always excited and to go to the water.
Now we are already tired, so let's go for some drinks. And I can't live here anymore because I'm afraid. Let's go.
I can still live here. I can play more. I don't want to play.
Now we bought some energy drinks. Right now we are not hungry.
Yeah.
We just need to take relax.
So they call this is Phyu Chaung restaurant. Even though we don't eat anything. Oh, it is so windy and
That blue wine is very nice.
yeah. Oh, I don't need pie. I don't need straw pie. I just need.
I can't open with my hand, so I open with this part.
You both drink energy drink, but the brand is not safe.
Yeah.
So
Unlike the city life, there is no noises and no pollution. And I feel like internally peaceful in here. This is totally different vibe with city life.
Yeah. So this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys will enjoy today about the nature of Phyu and Weir. So see you again in next video, guys. Bye bye. If you like this video, you will also like this one and this